Right, it seems about an hour and 10 since I left the room. I've arrived at Bandra. It's hot. It's dusty. I'm feeling the fatigue. One of these drinks looks very tempting, but I just don't want to jeopardize my chances of health at the moment, because I've got to go to the dentist and I don't want to get sick from something, so I'll just wait till my treatment has been completed. These are the stairs I was mentioning earlier that are unavoidable, and this can happen multiple times a day, which will test your physical fitness. Lucky I'm in pretty good shape. Oops, oh, chest pain. I'll take that pretty good health back. Woo. So I'm just going to make my way across to the exit where I'm going to connect with a rickshaw. Probably have to do a rickshaw share. I think it'll probably be 20 rupees. And that'll take me up to Lincoln Road, Bandra. And I would have arrived at my destination. So, that's what's involved when you're trying to save some money, keep your transport costs down. Are you prepared to invest the physical effort? It's probably good for your health, if nothing else. But other people would find it too busy, too much work. Just get in an aircon taxi and go direct to your destination. But I've been on these trips plenty of times, and you know, you can encounter some interesting scenarios and situations. Wear a mask. So I'm going to cross onto the other side of the road. Almost tripped then. That'll teach me. And hook up with one of these rickshaw dudes and make my way up to Lincoln Road, Bandra. There I'm definitely going to get a drink. Yeah. Yeah, I got a hat, but I haven't put it on at the moment. I should put it on because it's hot. Loving it. Gotta love the heat, man. Get out and don't get... Alright, man. Trying to cross the road here. You're gonna do it. Good. That's how you do it. You just step out in front of those cats. Then if they hit you, you just sue them. Take everything they've got, which will be nothing. Okay. Final leg of the journey.